Name 3 things that make you laugh.
Porn, cartoon, funny. Porn, we can laugh. Listen.
Welcome back to our 876 and chill channel.
No. 876 and chill /J. No collab.
Collaboration. Yes, so guys, yo.
Why don't I simple say, hey guys, welcome everybody. So all of the new subscribers, big up on us time and welcome to the family. And all of the returning subscribers.
Big up on yourself.
I think that's too simple.
On the simple say, we are doing Shima&Jea. We'll be doing a collab with 876 Chill.
Typical YouTubers. Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. Or
hi, this is
Jay. This is Ruby.
This is
and we're back with the challenge.
you know what about YouTube channel.
That's how typical YouTubers are. Alright, so
alright. Ready?
So yeah guys, you don't know we're here today again, and from the title down below, you know what we're gonna play. So we have Shima and Jay.
Jay, bad boy Jay over here.
Yeah. And today we're gonna play boy versus girl and girl versus boy.
Yeah.
That kind of sound too simple. Why not boy, a girl versus a boy or a boy versus a girl? I don't know.
No. Alright, so guys, the name of the game is the 5-second rule. It's a challenge. So basically we're gonna ask each other questions. I'm promising to say it's gonna be fun. So stick around if you want to see how this goes.
Yeah, this guys are stay tuned. You get to me. So
alright. Name 3 things that should always be in your fridge.
Food, rice, butter.
Rice?
Yeah, rice in the fridge.
When you cook out, you don't want to spoil. Come on, rice.
Alright.
Almost when you cook, you don't want to spoil, right?
Listen, if you have unspoiled like me, the uncooked rice will go in the fridge too.
No, dry rice when you cook, you can't go in the fridge.
Shima, name 3 things that the government of your country should change.
The crime rate, rape situation and the killing situation.
Wait, no. Crime and rape and killing.
Yes!
Crime and rape, crime and killing are the same thing.
I
No!
didn't see it.
Hey, we're not give the point.
So how much should I? How much should I?
Alright.
1 point and you could have get one.
We get it right.
No, killing and crime is the same thing.
Which one is it?
A rape can come under crime too.
Oh my god! Rape and a crime. Rape and
Alright.
a crime.
Name, ready?
Yeah.
Name 3 movies that you like.
Gone with the Wind, Sex and the City,
Time up. Time up.
Oh god. Yes, you told me I really watch movie. I'm glad I never made that question.
I should have asked my cartoon, but now I'm playing
I'm gonna make up some name to say.
Shima, name 3 things you suck.
Finger, breast. Delete that! Delete that!
Never explain that.
Wait up. 1, 2, lollipop.
Lollipop! Oh my god!
Sweetie.
Oh my god! Oh god! You better prove that because no one knows. Oh my god!
Yes. Ready again. Name 3 things that you often forget.
Pray, pay about people money, and tell my parents I love them.
Good. Alright.
The first one just.
Shima, name 3 words that start with Y.
Yam, yellow, yak.
So we're like,
Yeah. Yes, you can't stop.
This game force you put a say whatever come in your mind.
who that think about yak?
yeah.
Oh god.
Alright, ready, Raquel?
Yeah.
Name 3 things that send you to the toilet.
Banana, milk powder, ice cream.
Good.
Milk for me for sure. I'm not sure.
Alright.
Shima, name 3 things you do when you're bored.
Sing, go out, meet people.
Alright, you get it.
Should I get that?
Girl. But then that's true. I love to keep my blood sugar. I love tea.
Alright, I have 16.
But now, you remember to put the
Why
on my
not
team?
the people on that part?
No man, easy.
You remember to put the on my team?
Name 3 things that you wear on your feet.
Slippers, socks, sneakers.
Like she
Alright, you get the point. Ready.
Alright, so Shima, name 3 things you spray.
perfume, deodorant, Lysol.
Alright.
Especially lifestyle in these times.
Oh God.
Alright.
Uy, lagyan niya.
3 things that you would spray.
Lagyan niya.
Alright.
Oh God.
But now play it.
Alright. Name 3 things that make you laugh.
Porn, cartoon, phone.
When we can laugh.
Listen.
Oh God. That means that I can't think what am I cooking your mind. You know, somebody is cooking.
No, just keep going.
And then we just put down the point.
Alright, so Shima, name 3 things that made you cry.
When somebody dead, when somebody tell lie about me, and when somebody tell good things.
Alright. Which question that? Name 3 things that make you cry. Alright.
Again, have your far edge.
Listen, I can't believe we made it there while I go.
Alright. Name 3 websites you often visit.
Pornhub.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Pornhub. River City and the Food Channel.
Alright, so Shima, name 3 objects that you can't get out of your own house without help.
3 objects.
Yeah.
We call it something dresser drawer, bed, and TV.
Yeah, the time.
What's your fridge?
TV every year. What the time they up to when I get that? Oh wait, I want to make you laugh.
I like you want to put the ad on him to give me like you want to start from my key.
I want to make you laugh. I don't know hard one, man.
That man not do no bias thing. No man ask
No
a
man,
question.
ask a question.
You see.
I want to make you laugh. I don't know hard one, man.
That man not do no bias thing. No man ask
No
a
man,
question.
ask a question.
You see.
Alright. Name 3 things that you should have when you're old.
Money, a man, and a house. Weed.
Alright, you said.
Shima, name 3.
Wait.
Shima, name 3 things that man lift up.
Man lift up, woman, picnic, bed.
Alright, speaking man.
You can't lift anything.
Exactly.
Alright.
Okay.
Let me see, we have 1, 2, 3 more questions.
Yeah, and then food time.
Yeah, so this question, name 3 languages you consider difficult.
Spanish, French, and
Just say something else.
Dutch?
Want the Portuguese or
I
Dutch?
Dutch.
Make me go sir. Go sir. It's too fun.
you're looking at almost African.
African,
Yeah, but
African,
African,
different
you know,
language.
African name though. That's what I'm saying.
The language is African. No, seriously. African.
Swali.
Yeah, them some of them.
Alright.
In Africa.
Shima, name 3 books that you like.
I don't know. I was gonna leave it. I don't know.
Nobody gonna read book.
No, I don't know. I remember them some of them. You wicked. You could have asked it then.
The Mockingbird, Tishan and his brother.
Let me get some of them, brother.
Oh,
Remember.
last question. This is the last one for you. Alright. Name 3 actors you like.
God, we never get that. John Legend, Mary J. Blige, and sorry. But we
Sing on them then.
Sing again. No, John Legend actually no.
But then
And Taylor Perry.
And
Taylor
Mary
Perry.
J. Blige, I think she from the movie. too, so-
I don't really know
Sing
nobody
on
like
that
that.
part.
So thank God we never get a question then.
So guys,
That's the
End
end
of
of
our
ours. We are gonna do the boys. Then we're gonna watch
Yeah.
the part 2. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like,
subscribe
comment.
and share this video with a friend.
Bye.